so that that's one side of the reversing loop. But I really just hope that it all works from that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take it to pieces and start again. Anyway, we'll find out. I had put insulators in here before I received the little gizmo for the reversing loop, and then I read the instructions, and you actually have to put it in both sides of the reversing loop. So I put 2 more insulators in here, and then apparently what all you have to do is connect 2 yellow wires to the reversing loop section and the 2 red wires to the main section. So we'll get that done and see what happens. Well, obviously the turnout arrangement I've got here doesn't work, because this is what happens. Here comes the little loco, my little tank engine. It might fall off here. Yes, it did. So it'll put it back on. But anyway, come on, off you go. There we go. Well, a lot of building up to do here, but I wanted to test this theory here first. And you come round there, alright, and it stops. Now this is still alive, and I can test that with my little LED tester. There we are. We've got power there, and then if I move the loco onto this section, now she was going frontwards, forwards, remember, I put it there and turn it on. It's not going anywhere, and it now goes backwards, and I hadn't altered the direction in there. So, oh, she's going all the way round. Let's see what happens now. And she's stopping there, okay. Oh, well, we'll have to change all of this and find some new configuration for it. And I think what I'm going to do is, instead of having a complicated reversing loop like this, just make it an absolutely simple one, which means only one track coming into here, and then we'll have to split it up and be able to get at both the platforms. Well, that was the answer. Just a simple loop with just the 1 point insulators, and this being the main track. And now it works like this. Here we go with a little tank engine, and into the loop. And back out of the loop. And some dirty chuck to clean up, and the other way. And after it leaves again. Works. Great. When I was a young boy, I always wanted to ride on one of these, and I never did. Come on. Lovely. That works. So the heritage line is up and running. Now all we have to do is build the scenery of the mountain and the funicular and everything else.